Vande Matram friends. All of you are very welcome to this class of Gayatri Mahavigyan, which is in the form of a curiosity. So friends, our next vision is how to chant the Gayatri Mantra. The seeker who is applying for the path of meeting Brahma to be situated in the Paravastha, i.e. the soul form, should leave the path of reciting the Gayatri Mantra heard in a loud voice and do Upanshu jap. The entire mantra should be chanted in one breath. The mantra should be recited by drawing the pranavayu from the navel and placing it in the navel so that the equal impact of the pranavayu keeps increasing on the coil that wraps around the navel. While following all the rules, the sound of the mantras should be such that even the person sitting nearby cannot hear it, but we ourselves can hear the sound. In this way, by focusing the mind on the sound, the nature of all the senses comes under control and the soul element starts getting nourished by listening to each mantra. The seeker should face east in the morning, wear clean and calm clothes of the best color and do the 11 mala jap with a tulsi rosary. First, before the jap, keep the picture of Panchmukhi Gayatri in front of, worship it and do the Gayatri Sandhya Vidhi. Second, while doing Gayatri jap, do not violate Sumeru. Third, do Upanshu jap. And fourth, after that, do Gayatri Tarpan and salute Gayatri Mantra with 24 mudras. Fifth, offer Ardhya to Sun God. And the last one, leave water on the earth and apply tilak with the water so that the seeker gets the result of chanting. Friends, the rituals of Gayatri Sandhya are as follows. Gayatri Sandhya is as follows. To sit facing east in Padmasana in front of the idol of Gayatri with folded hands, say Jai Gayatri Mata and say Jai to the Venerable Gurudev. Recite Gayatri mantras 3 times. Sanctification. Om apavitro pavitro vasar avastha gato apiva. Ye स्मृत पुंडिकाक्षम स बाह्याभ्यंतर शुचि पुनातु पुंडिकाक्ष पुनातु sprinkle water everywhere. Now the next is Achman. Take water in the right hand and do Achman 3 times. Om Amritoptaranmasi Swaha. Om Amritapidhanamasi Swaha. Om Satyam Yashay Shri Mayi Shriyatam Swaha. Now fourth is Shikha Sparsh. Take water in the palm of left hand and make touch the water to antenna on the head through the 5 fingers of right hand along with the following mantra. Om Chidrupani Mahamaye Divine Brilliance Coordinated Tishta Devi Tejo increased in the crest of Kurush. Pranayam. Om Bhu, Om Bhuva, Om Swaha, Om Mah, Om Janay, Om Tape, Om Satyam. Om Tatsavitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yonah Prachodayat. Om Apo Jyoti Raso Amritam Bhur Bhuvai Swarom Swaha. Sixth, Ang Vinyase. Pray to God to keep the power present within all the organs stable. Take water in the left hand and touch the body parts with the fingers of the right hand as per the mantra. Om Vang me asyo astu on both sides of the mouth. On Nasor me prano astu on both sides of the nostrils. Om Akshor me chakshur astu on both the eyes. Om Karnor me shrotum astu on both the ears. Om Bahur me balam astu on both arms. Om Urvor me ojo astu on both thighs. Om Arishtani me angani stanus tanva sah santu on all the body parts. 7th, Prithvi Pujan. Sprinkle water on the earth with the following mantra. Om Prithvi Tvaya Lokan Dhrita Devi Tvam Chay Vishnuna Dhrita Tvam Chay Dhare Devi Pavitram Kuru Chasanam. Wear tilak and sandalwood with the following mantra. चंदनस्य महत् पुण्यम महापाप नाशनम आपदाम हरति नित्यम लक्ष्मी तिष्ठति सर्वदा. दीप पूजन. Lit a lamp with the following mantra. Om Agnir Jyotir Agni Swaha Suryo Jyoti Jyoti Swaha Agnir Varcho Jyotir Varcha Swaha Jyoti Suryo Suryo Jyoti Swaha. And the next is Guru Pujanam. Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwar Gurur Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Name. Akhand Mandalakaram Vyaptam Yena Characharam Tatpadam Daschitam Yena Tasmai Shri Guruve Name. Om Shri Guruve Name. Now the next is Gayatri Shap Vimochan Vinyog. May you be free from curses and blessings reciting Gayatri mantra 5 times by showing Yoni Mudra. Now the 12th. Should Gayatri be worshipped? Ved Mata, the world mother, I, the presiding deity of God, knowledge and harmony, Maheshwari, the origin cause of creation, Ayatu Varde Devi, Triyakshri Brahma Vadini, Gayatrim Chandasam Mata, Brahma Yoni Namo Astuti. Om Shri Gayatri Devya Name. Do it 3 times. Akshatam Pushpam Deepam Nevedyam Samarpyami Tato Namaskaram Karumi. Friends, due to the video being long, its second part will be the next video. Stay tuned with me in the next class of Gayatri Mahavigyan. Thank you. Namaskar. Shubhamastu.